By now you know all about adding website content. But what about functionality? That's where plugins come in handy. Plugins automatically add features like contact forms, image galleries, shopping carts, discussion forums, just about anything else you can imagine to make your site a useful, dynamic experience. Adding plugins is a snap. Just choose a plugin, install it, activate it, and maybe adjust a few parameters. In this video, I'll show you 3 examples. The first plugin is so useful that it's automatically included with your WordPress installation. It's called Akismet, and it blocks the vast majority of spam comments that come through your site. If not for Akismet, you'd get a lot of comments on your pages and posts, but most of them would just be annoying advertisements for other products and websites. View your installed plugins by clicking Plugins from your admin toolbar. There you'll see Akismet, and if you host your site with Bluehost, then it automatically gets activated when you install WordPress, but it still needs one more thing to work. Click Akismet's Settings, and you'll see that you need to enter an API key. You can register for a free one by clicking Get Your API Key, or if you already have one that you've used for other WordPress sites, type or paste that here and click Use this key. Another useful plugin is the contact form. Let's go back to plugins. I don't have one of these yet, so I'll click Add New. Here you can peruse thousands of featured, popular, and other plugins, which is a nice way to find out what's available. But let's go straight to search and enter contact form. Hit enter, and hundreds of results appear. This is great, but it presents a problem, because how can you decide which one is right for you? Here's some good ways. First, see how many times the plugin has been downloaded. Look at the rating. The more stars and the more ratings, the better. And if you see that it hasn't been updated for a long time, there's a risk of security holes, and it's less likely that the plugin author will provide support. So you may want to avoid those. Now click More Details and look at screenshots or read the frequently asked questions and reviews to find out if it's exactly what you're looking for. This one looks good, so I'll click Install Now. Once installed, click to activate it. Now let's explore this plugin's settings to see what options are available. Here it tells me how to add the form to a page or post. I just paste this shortcode where I want the contact form to appear. Shortcodes are bits of code that you copy and paste into your pages to add the plugin to that page. I'll demonstrate that in a minute. Here I have the option to mail the form results to myself or another WordPress user. Notice that many plugins have a free version like this one, and a paid version which unlocks additional functionality. In this case, this crossed out area shows functionality that would be added if I upgrade. When I click Additional Settings, I see a lot more grayed out options. Again, these are what you would get with the Pro version. Let's add this to a page and see this thing in action. First, I'll copy the shortcode and then click Pages and add a new page, enter Contact Us for the page title, then paste the shortcode. Now I'll publish the page and let's see how it looks. Nice. If anyone fills out this form and clicks Submit, WordPress will send me an email with the information they enter. Now, I do want to show you one more quick trick before moving to the next plugin, and that is adding a map to your page so people can see where you're located. First, I'll go to Google Maps and type in my address. Then down here, you have a little setting icon. Click where it says Share or Embed Map. Then click the Embed Map tab. Here you can choose the size of the map and copy this code. Let's go back to our contact page. Now when embedding maps, you need to be in the HTML text editor. So click the Text Editor tab, place the cursor where you want the map to appear, and paste the code here. Now let's update it and go back to the contact page. Refresh. Perfect. We now have a nice map embedded into our site, and it's interactive, which is really nice. Now, I promised to show you 3 plugins, so let's look at one more. How about an image gallery that I've already installed? We'll return to the plugins screen. And notice that this plugin doesn't have a settings link right here like Akismet and my contact form. So I'll look for it in one of 3 other locations. Sometimes plugin settings are found in the Tools tab, sometimes in the Settings tab, and sometimes right on the toolbar itself, like this one. If I click that, then half a dozen links appear for me to explore and manage the plugin. Let's take a look around. On this page, I'll create a new gallery by typing a name here, then clicking Add Files. Note that photos in this gallery plugin are stored separately from the WordPress media library, so I can't choose an image I've already uploaded. I'll upload some to the plugin here. Now I'll start the upload and wait for that to finish. Great! Now there are a lot more options for this plugin that I won't go into in this video. Just note that no two plugins are the same, and you just have to click around and read instructions and experiment with whatever options they provide. One reason I like this plugin is it adds a button to my page and post editing screens. So let's go there and add my new gallery to a new page, which I'll name Menu. I'll place my cursor in the text editor, then click this new green button. I could add a new gallery or images from here, but let's just use the one I've already created. Now I choose the display style I prefer. I like the basic thumbnail gallery. I choose what to display. I want the gallery I just created under Galleries. I only have my menu items gallery to choose. I'll add a slug for SEO. Then customize any of these options if I want, but the default settings look okay. I'll drag to sort these images and put the desserts last. And I'll exclude this one, which isn't actually a menu item. Then click Save to add it to my page. And there it is, although the image is partially hidden. If I want to edit it, I just click it and all those options reappear. Let's publish the page and see how it looks. It looks pretty good, right? If you see any feature on any other website, there's a good chance that a plugin exists to add the same functionality to your site. And that's it for this WordPress plugin tutorial. Now try installing a few plugins on your site. Then watch the next video to learn about themes and how to instantly redesign your website anytime you want. We'll see you then.